Hello. In this video we're going to show you how to create a new teacher account on mathfactspro.com along with some of the benefits of that. The account's a free trial for 30 days. It's the full version. After that it's $1 a student for 12 months for us to manage your MathFacts practice paperlessly. You want a username the students can type and remember, a password for yourself. Email address is optional, but without it, if you forget your username or password, you've lost your data. That would not be good. So we strongly recommend you enter an email address, and then we will confirm it by sending you a confirmation email with a link for you to click. This name's going to go at the top of your reports, and this is just confirming that we have the time zone correct for you. 1221 is right for me. I'm just going to use one class. You can have multiple classes. I'll call this one math. And I'll say school starts at 8 o'clock and that it ends at 3 o'clock. All practice done between those times will be counted as in school. After that's counted as homework. And so if you assign homework, you can log in the morning and see did your students do their practicing, and they don't have to sign agendas or stuff like that. Let's see here. First student, you'll need your class roster with your passwords, obviously. I'm going to select 6th grade. That tells the computer that this student wants jokes that 6th graders like, because 6th graders have a different sense of humor than kindergartners, obviously. 50 facts equals approximately 5 minutes of time. 100 facts, 10 minutes. That's getting a bit long, especially for younger students. It's up to you. I'm going to start with addition. Even though it's a 6th grader, that gives them some early success as they're learning the program. It's your call. Um, First, you can use numbers if you like instead of names. I'd suggest use the number for both the first and the last name because both fields are used in the program. It assumes you want the information to stay the same. If you want to change it, you can change it. Let's just do the same thing. Why be original? And here you can see underneath that are popping in underneath the overlay the student names are. That lets you know they're in the database and they are good to go. Little pencils are used for editing information we just put in there. If you want to change the name of the class, if you want to add more classes, or if you want to delete the class that you're looking at currently and its students, you can do that. This class button changes which roster you're looking at, so you want to be careful that if you have multiple classes. You can add students, or you can use the pencil next to each student to delete that one individually or make changes. If Adam learns his subtraction facts or is going on a multiplication, you can make all those changes right there. Student passwords, if they forget them, you can hit that button real quick and see what they are. This help button will show you a lot more information. It's the key for what you see on the previous screen. If you have questions, this message form will send them to us. If you have an email address on file, we can send them to you. I guess if you type the email address in that and you didn't have one, we could still send them to you. Let's go on and see what it looks like as a student when they're ready to log in and play. Let's use student 1. How about? When they first log in, they have a chance to turn off the jokes if they don't want them. It just appears for a few seconds. The program is an intelligent tutor. It's trying to figure out what facts do you know, what facts don't you know. Of course, right now it has very little to go on because we've only played 4 facts so far. So it assumes that I'm slow. It assumes that I don't know anything, but it's trying to figure that out. So if I make a mistake, you can see that it shows the correct answer, but in red. Gives you longer to look at it, and then that fact is going to come back around because it says, hey, he doesn't know that one. If the student wants to mute the jokes, they can do that here. Jokes pop up every 20 to 30 facts depending on the age of the student. Results button will take you straight to this results page. You can see which facts we are working on. This one here is the one I didn't get right. If you want them to practice the second operator, they can go straight to that from here. This little mini graph will show you their progress week by week as there's more data to fill it in. Right now it says we know 6 looks like. And here's the key for telling you what what this chart means. We have some new beta games for you to try. This one, MathFacts Scramble, teaches math fact strategies for younger students who are learning. Contig is for older students who are learning to mentally manipulate the facts, or students who just had success already. Let's go back home and look as a teacher and see what that looks like now that we've got some practice in there. Oops. And this page is printable. You can see the mini graph here again, and the other chart shows you which facts are which if you mouse over them. This is the fact that the lowest fact that I'm working on. You can see that they did 6 facts in class today, and here's a subscribe button if you're ready for that. We have a couple other features to show you. Here's the blog. Gives you more information about learning math facts and our software. Response to intervention and research page will let you see a PDF that shows you the design of the program, the research basis for it, how it's been checked for validity. You can see here if students practice an average of 250 facts a week, they learn 10 new facts per week that become fluent. Students who've practiced less than 50 facts a week, though, are only learning 2 facts a week. So you can see 5 times the practice equals 5 times the learning, which is really cool. But it really does come down to how much they practice. And so our design is to help students practice efficiently, effectively, and keep aware of how they're doing. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.